In 491, Flavius Anastasius succeeded Zeno as the Byzantine Emperor. He was chosen by the court officials after Zeno's death as the most suitable candidate to lead the empire. Anastasius' reign was marked by a number of significant events, including the reconquest of the city of Rome from the Ostrogoths in 493, which strengthened the empire's hold on Italy. He also introduced a number of financial and administrative reforms that helped to stabilize the empire's economy and government. Anastasius was known for his religious tolerance, which helped to ease tensions between the different Christian sects within the empire. However, his reign was not without controversy, and he faced a number of revolts and uprisings from various factions within the empire. Overall, Flavius Anastasius' reign was an important period of transition for the Byzantine Empire, as it continued to adapt and evolve in the face of changing political and social realities. In 1079, Bishop Stanislaus of Krakow was executed by King Boleslaw II of Poland. Bishop Stanislaus had been a vocal critic of the king's policies, which he believed were corrupt and oppressive. When the king's actions led to the deaths of innocent people, the bishop took a stand and openly condemned him. In response, the king ordered his soldiers to execute the bishop. This act was widely condemned by the people of Poland and the Catholic Church, leading Pope Gregory VII to excommunicate the king. This event had significant political and religious implications, as it undermined the king's legitimacy and sparked a period of unrest in Poland. Bishop Stanislaus became a symbol of resistance against tyranny and corruption, and his memory is still honored today in Poland. In 1689, William III and Mary II were crowned as joint sovereigns of England, Scotland, and Ireland. Their coronation followed the Glorious Revolution of 1688, which saw the overthrow of King James II and the establishment of a constitutional monarchy. William and Mary were chosen to rule together because of their Protestant faith and their willingness to accept limits on their power. Their reign was marked by a number of important events, including the War of the Grand Alliance against France, the adoption of the Bill of Rights, and the Act of Settlement, which secured the Protestant succession to the throne. They also oversaw significant developments in trade, industry, and finance, which laid the foundations for Britain's emergence as a major world power in the 18th and 19th centuries. In 1868, the Shogunate was abolished in Japan, and the Meiji Restoration began. This was a pivotal moment in Japanese history, as it led to the end of feudalism and the modernization of Japan. The Meiji Restoration was a period of rapid political, social, and economic change, as Japan opened itself up to the world and embraced new ideas and technologies. The government was reformed, the samurai class was abolished, and a new constitution was adopted. Japan embarked on a program of industrialization and modernization, building railroads, factories, and other infrastructure. This led to rapid economic growth and made Japan a major world power by the early 20th century. The Meiji Restoration is regarded as one of the most important events in Japanese history, as it transformed Japan from a feudal society into a modern, industrialized nation.